Google Docs makes it easy to recover changes. So let's say, for example, you are someone you share the document with, change out the document, then you can easily retrieve to a previous version of the document because a Google Doc saves different versions of it. So you can simply go over here onto the top, and right after help, you see the version history text right here pop up. So you might not always see this text, you might see different text over here, but once you click on it, what happens is that you see the version history right here. So now you can see that I've made some changes over here on this document in the past few. So one change was on October 11, another one on October 10, and so forth right over here, and it even shows the time. Once I click on the first one, you can see that the document is blank, and then the other change was that I added in a few paragraphs right over here, and then the other change was that I just replaced it out entirely with images over here on the top, and the text is still there. So let's say you want to revert it back into some older version. You can just go over here and then make a copy of this file so that you have another version of the document, and you can start working with that version of the document right over here. So let's say you made some changes by accident, you want to go back and revert back onto an earlier version, you can simply go over here and then access them out. You can also go over here and rename. So let's say, for example, you can say something like added text right here, and you can say something like blank document right over here, just like this. And you can go over here and type in something like added images right over here. So what happens is that you can go on to different versions right over here according to what you have named out. And if you have named out a few things but you haven't named out others, you even have a filter to only show the named version of the files right here. In my case, everything is named out, so I don't have anything to hide right here. But as soon as I delete the name, you can see that once I turn this off, I have this. So this blank document is not really of my use. So what I can do is I can turn this on, and I can see that only the ones that I have named in is right there. And that is how you can access out the version history inside of Google Docs document, inside of your document, just like this. Restore the version and then work around with it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.